y'all, and welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe if you're a new subscriber. Remember to click that bell for all notifications. Now for this video, I am showing you this built-in. It has been here since, I believe, my the maintenance guy came in and told me it's been here since like 1800s, like that. This used to be office buildings, and the man who bought it, our landlord, he said, yeah, they used to be office buildings. Well, he's turning them into apartments. So he thinks this used to be like doctor's offices back in the day. So this was some kind of built-in that was built in, like they said, back in 1800s. Well, it's been painted over and over. Well, I noticed there was a track, and I was talking to the maintenance man today about it. And he said, yeah, that actually there used to be sliding glass doors here. So if this used to be a doctor's office, then I'm guessing they used to keep medical supplies in here. And then it was probably locked behind a glass door. And as you can see, there's cabinets up there. And so this was probably one of their medical office rooms, and they had things up here. But I just think it's a neat piece. Now the bottom drawer, if you can see through there, that drawer had busted, and he fixed it the best he could. Not real crazy about how that looks now, but he said, I mean, that was the best he could fix it. It's really old, and he was saying it was probably going to end up having to come out of here. I don't want this piece to come out of here. I mean, it's a piece of heritage of the building. I mean, I just would like it if they could fix it. He said the problem was people just kept painting over and over, and they painted inside the drawers to where it made it hard for the drawers to slide. What would be nice if they could just rebuild the drawers and take the handles off, put the handles on some new drawers, and you know, that's what needs to be done, really. So you know, just rebuild all the new drawers and do it that way. But yeah, keep the whole piece, because that's a part of the heritage of this place. And I just think it's neat, even without the doors on it, because I'm going to use it as my pantry. And so I've already brushed it down, wiped it. I took everything that we had piled on it and wiped it down. I vacuumed it down, and I'm getting ready to really scrub it down now and then fix it up. And now I can't really decorate it too much because of I don't have our stuff moved in yet, but I've been envisioning, that's the right word, envisioning how I would like to really decorate this, you know, with, you know, things. But like I said, I'm going to use it as a pantry, and since it's open, I am going to have some decorative items in there also to make it look pretty as well. And I've just been envisioning or imagining how, you know, different times of the year, how it could be really cute, say for different holidays, like at Christmas time and fall time and springtime, and so just different times of the year, how you can change out things on this on these shelves on the hutch part to make it look really cute with all the different items that you use every day. So I think it's just a darling thing. You do have to get a ladder to climb up there to use these taller cabinets up there. But you just put things up there that you don't get into all the time. So I'm going to work on that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So you can see I've got it better. See how much cleaner it's looking? And see how dirty the water is? Ugh. But I've still got a lot of scrubbing to do here. But it's looking a lot better, as you can see there. That still needs to be scrubbed, of course. And then the front there. But I am totally worn out from climbing up and down this ladder to get all the way up there. I have to climb up and down, up and down. So my back and my legs are exhausted. And my arms from scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. So since I got to change out the water, I'm going to take a break for a little bit and lay down and rest. And I thought I could get it all done in one sweep, but since I got to change out the water, yeah, I thought I'd take a break. Almost got it all. I'm gonna relax a little bit, drink some water, and then come back and finish it, and then show you what it looks completely done and clean before I put everything back on it. Okay, so now that I've gotten through cleaning and scrubbing this, it looks so much better. I do have to finish putting the paper down in there. I'm glad I did find this shelf paper that matched, put on this shelf, and then I have to put shelf paper in all these drawers. So I've got something different to put in there because there's probably not enough of that. So that'll be different. Before I put everything on there, I don't have everything that's going to be going on these shelves and in these cabinets and everything, in the drawers just yet, because things are still like at my daughter's and in storage and all. So I don't know exactly what will be going on here. And then in these cabinets here, so I've still got to clean these. I'm going to go ahead and clean these and just go ahead and end this for now, and then later I'll do another video and show you what this all looks like when it's completely finished and all. So that's what I'll do, is just end this for now. Just wanted to let you see how much better it looks now that it's been scrubbed and cleaned. And hopefully we'll get a plug over here so that I can have some appliances over here to be able to use on this bottom shelf. And because I would like to have like my microwave over here, maybe even my coffee maker. We're hoping to have a plug over here so that my appliances aren't over here because I don't have a lot of counter space. But that's it for now. So I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, please share. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And also, if you're a new subscriber, remember to click that subscribe button. When you do, click the bell and click it for all notifications so you'll be notified by YouTube for more videos like this. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you again soon for more videos.